Welcome to UMA. Let me introduce you to your weekly assignments. So, where are the assignments located in the course room? Once you enter the course room, you'll need to click on a weekly tile to access the content, assignments, and activities. Let's take a look at week 1. Depending on the course, and depending on the week, you might have one assignment or you might have multiple assignments that will need to be completed. UMA courses utilize a variety of assignment delivery methods. In this video, we're going to take a closer look at two of the main types of assignments: documents that you will complete and upload, and quiz-type assignments that will be completed using the test tool. First, let's take a look at the quiz-type assignment. You'll notice that an assignment will be a quiz type when you see the word assessment underneath the assignment title. Click on the assignment title, read through the directions of the assignment, and make sure to take note of the time allowed and attempts allowed before you begin. After you've read the instructions, click the blue Start Assessment button. Once you start the assignment, you'll see a variety of questions, such as essay response, multiple choice, true/false, and matching. If you'd like to leave the assignment, you can click on the X button at the top right of the page. This will bring you back to the assignment instructions page, and when you're ready to resume working on the assignment again, simply click the Continue Assessment button. As a best practice though, it is recommended that you set aside enough time to complete a quiz-type assignment. Once you've finished the assignment, click the Submit Assessment button at the bottom. Now, let's take a look at another type of assignment you'll complete in your courses. There are some assignments that will require you to download and complete a Word document. For these types of assignments, you'll see this link just below the title that prompts you to download the worksheet to your computer. Next, open the Word document and click on the Enable Editing button located at the top. So, what components are in an assignment? The first thing you'll see on the assignment is the essential question. This is what we want you to be thinking about while working on each question in the assignment. Every part of the assignment is designed to help you answer this overarching question. Remember that your assignment is only one part of the work for the week. You'll also have readings, interactives, discussions, tests, and extra credit, which can all be found in your weekly roadmap. As you complete your assignment, you'll need to pay close attention to the directions in order to correctly answer the questions. At times, videos and articles may be included as part of your assignment. Hover the mouse over the underlined words on the document, which indicates that this text is hyperlinked to a video or an article. When the link appears, hold down the Control key and click it. Once you complete your assignment, you'll need to save it. So, how do I save my assignment? First, click on the File tab in the top left-hand corner. Next, choose the Save As tab, and then click on the Browse tab. We recommend saving your assignment in a memorable location on your computer. Once saved, then it's time to submit your assignment. And how do I submit my assignment? Well, it's simple. Now that you've completed your assignment, it's time to upload for credit. First, click on the assignment title. Then, you can either drag your assignment document from the place where you saved it on your computer into the space where it says Drop Files Here, or you can choose from one of the available upload options below. Once you've uploaded your document, click the blue Update button to save and submit your work. What do I do if I need help completing my assignment? There are a few ways you can find help on completing and submitting your assignments. Under each assignment in your courses, there's an assignment help link. Once you click this link, a new page will open. Here, you can find written instructions as well as video tutorials that can help you rename, save, and submit your assignment. You can also find resources to help you with research-based assignments. Are you using Outlook 365 to save your assignments to OneDrive? Check out these videos by UMA. For further assistance, you can contact Academic Services at 888-215-8215 or Learner Services at 888-216-0544.